Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about the Facebook difference between the Facebook Lite. So what is the difference between the Facebook and Facebook Lite? So we will check that. If we talk about Facebook, it's a old version and it's for all users. So it will take the 40 MB per. And if you talk about the Facebook Lite, it will take 1.4 MBs. So it's very low quality. It's very low weight app. And in the starting, Facebook Lite has been launched in 2015. And in the starting, they have launched only for the selected countries like Pakistan, like India. And Facebook Lite is only for a 2G, which mobile having the 2G internet and the low speed and the 2G RAM. So for that, this is the good app. And when we talk about the downloading, and app will take the 55 to 60 MB, and the Facebook Lite will take the 1 to 3 MB for downloading. And when we talk about the other thing like total download and this thing, so it's downloading more than 1 billion peoples, and it's 5 million peoples, more than 5 million peoples. And using rate, if we will talk about, so Facebook, which is a main feature which is have done, so it we can say user rating maybe more than 4.1 out of 5, and we can say 4.2 is here. And if you will say this 4.2 rating out of this. And low speed is used Facebook Lite. And when we talk about the Facebook main feature, it will use for high speed. If we having light speed, we can use anywhere, we can go and we can use it very easily. And it's a very good feature. And the main thing is that we cannot do the live call on the Facebook Lite. And when we will talk about the main feature of Facebook, so we can do the video call in this, means we can do the live statement we cannot do on this. And in the Lite we can not do the live statement. So here are the some, and we can save the data in this for a 1 week and whatever else. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for